Welcome back to another video with me. Long time no talk. I know it's been a while. I was like, you know, let me pick up the camera for the first day of school. So I am here vlogging my first day of senior year. Today is August 28th, 9:30. I have class today at 1 p.m. to 1:50. I have to commute, and the college is a little bit farther away from me, so it's like an hour drive. Gonna get there kind of early because of parking. I don't know how parking looks like. This is my first time gonna be like in person after like COVID, which is kind of insane. So I'm kind of excited upon that, since like it's a new environment, new change, new atmosphere, new everything, basically new people. I don't want to make friends today, but of course I would be, you know, I would be talking to others. Wanted to get a fresh start. Kind of woke up early to freshen up, make my routine as well, because you know I am high-key excited, like mashallah say. I have to leave the house around like 11ish to find good parking, so like 2 hours basically before my class, but I want a good like easy first day. So yeah, just one class for today, and afterwards coming back home, so it's gonna take an hour. And then when I'm home, I want to do homework today, since I have the whole day to myself and I don't want to get stuck in traffic from my college to here, because that's going to be insane during rush hour. So yeah, that's the game plan. And yeah, that's my update for you guys. If you guys don't know, I am a public health major now. I am not doing nursing no more because I feel like I cannot do that. But yeah, so I basically have one more year left, and hopefully inshallah by next fall I would be able to graduate. So that's the game plan for me, and thank you for coming along with my journey. So I'm excited to share with you guys. So yes, so basically for breakfast, y'all, I have to make breakfast for myself and my sister Noor, because like they don't have school today, so I don't really chef it up, but I'm chefing it up because of her and the vlog. Don't get catfished. Yeah, y'all, made Noor's breakfast. Let's see how she enjoys this.
Smells good. That's yummy.
Yeah!
What is it? What is it?
It is a bagel. I put cream cheese on it, and then I put like egg, cheese, black pepper, parsley, whatever, so different spices, cheese in it, cheese on top of it, and then everyday seasoning on it. You should put hot sauce on it. Hot sauce.
No.
Mission success. As for myself, y'all, I just made a bagel instead. I don't know. I was gonna make the oatmeal, but I had to like let them like absorb the oats, like the milk absorb the oats. So that can be for like a different day. Something small and easy, and of course I have to pack lunch too. So I'm about to change my fit, so I am all ready. Let's do a fit check. My cardigan is from Target. My shirt is from Target. My jeans, American Eagle. Basically something that's like, you know, easy to wear if I get cold. This, if I get hot, you can take it off. So it's kind of cloudy outside, you can't really tell, but yeah, it's 77 degrees. So cardigan, fall weather. September's around the corner, so yeah. Guys, first day first day of class went pretty well. I'll update y'all in the car. So okay guys, class went great. It was a stress. The class was basically about stress. The long version of the name is like stress management, something else management, all that. But class ended early. It was supposed to end at like 1:50. It ended literally at 1:30, so it was in class for 30 minutes. We just did like an icebreaker type crap as usual. But she's gonna go over like the syllabus and crap on Wednesday. So, and Blackboard, our school uses Blackboard, so Blackboard's down for now. No assignments for today in that class, I guess. So we chilling, we big chilling. So I'm gonna get myself a smoothie. So we went to this spot. It's called Happy Burger Grill. It was really good. I forgot to like vlog in there. I was just distracted. I got a call, but it was really good. I got a veggie burger with onions. Their sauce, I never had this. There was a sauce in there that tastes like really yum-malicious. So I would come back again. Hello everyone, I am back home. It is 4:30. Can't really tell. It's 4:30. It's been a day. It's been pretty good so far. I feel like I haven't been vlogging a lot at school. It was my first in-person university class, so it was pretty cool. So the class was about stress, and so started at 1, finished at like 1:30. It was until like 1:50, but like she ended it sooner because like I don't know. But I talked to 2 other people because there was an icebreaker and it was pretty cool. Got some flowers. So let's put this in my vase because I'm excited because this vase has been empty for quite some time, and I love plants, flowers, and all sorts of stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, I have 𝐷 with me. We're here at Trader Joe's to do some grocery shopping, so let's see how that goes. I just wanted to keep you guys posted. It's 8:18, so we got like 40 minutes to go grocery shopping, so we gotta be quick. So. It's going well, Noor? Trader Joe's haul. Very yum-malicious. Right, Fatma Noor? We gotta show them a haul when we're at home, okay? Okay? What's her face? Huh? We did damage, but it was a good damage though. I feel like if you're gonna invest like in your body, I feel like that's good. All we got was snacks and cookies and no.
But they had good snacks and cookies.
Okay, maybe it
was just Noor. I got I'm sorry, but it was yummy. Like it looked yummy.
I feel like I got stuff to like make meals with.
I got stuff to take to school. So.
Yeah, me too. Okay, everyone. I just wanted to do like a Trader Joe's haul. So, can you guys not interrupt my vlog?
Sorry.
Alright, I'm gonna go over there.
Don't interrupt Iman's vlog, please. Okay, you want to come here in the vlog?
No, I'm crazy.
Okay. Kind of went crazy, but it's time to show y'all what we got. For my.
Hello.
I'm gonna show you guys what I got first.
Oh nah.
I got organic brown rice, peanut pasta, some hash browns, of course.
I told you.
Salmon rub, because one day I want to make salmon, so salmon rub.
Salmon.
Yeah. Ranch seasoning for like some eggs.
We're splitting. Let's just try it.
Mushrooms.
We're not gonna eat them all. Same
sliced Gouda cheese. This I'm so excited for. Shrimp burgers. This was good. Fruit and green smoothie blend for me to like make a smoothie one day. Okay, inspo.
Hey, I got it.
It's so boss.
Super seedy cheesy snack bites. This is with like quinoa and like peppercorn.
I want this.
So they look kind of cool. Mini pancake puffs because I never had pancake puffs and this look kind of cool. Let's call these. How do you say this?
Arugula.
Arugula. And I got this for like eggs in the morning and 3 cheese pasta sauce. That was it for my haul. My sisters can show you the rest of their haul.
Got some hummus. We got some feta cheese. And we got some salad. Greek salad. Then we got those viral chocolate croissants.
Boston's not a good YouTuber.
Say yeah. I'm a good YouTuber. And then lastly, I got a loaf of bread.
Go tell me your haul.
Baguette.
For myself right now, I'm about to check out some pasta. My papa's about to check out something as well too. So like, this
Stop.
is how much I go at it.
Okay. I don't know what you already showed.
I showed them my part and Fatma's part. Just show them what you.
I have to keep quiet with this because some munches over there. Okay.
Was that good?
This was yum.
Can I have one bite? Like just one bite. Fine, it's okay.
No,
okay,
no,
just
you
give
can
me
have
one
a bite. You could have a million bites in mine. You could have the whole thing in mine.
Here, just take it. No, I just really want a bite.
Just take. Hold on. You want to bite this?
I'll actually. No, nah.
Here. Do I need to warm this up?
I'll just take this one.
Okay, I got these yummy waffles because I got this yummy syrup over there, and I know it's gonna be all yummy together, you know. This just, you know, I don't know. It just look good.
You can never go wrong.
Pepper jack cheese, very yummilish. I saw these. This TikToker girl has these, and like Bria, do you know who that is? Bro, she always like doing this with her outside clothes, trying to munch like that. This yumminess. I'm gonna call everything yummy.
I'm excited for the mac and cheese bites, bro.
I honestly got this just because the packaging was very cute, but we don't talk about it. And then this, I'm a munch on that. This whole thing better be cut out of your video.
So guys, Papa made me this. It's with bread, hummus, Gouda cheese, cucumbers, feta cheese. Girl, this tastes so busted right now, mashallah. And this is Noor. This is Noor chopping up the bell peppers. It smells really good in here because bell peppers smell amazing. So my pasta is like cooking right now, still a little bit more, and then I'll be assembling the sauce and all that stuff, and I'll show you guys it. Okay guys, I made my pasta. Looks really yummy, delicious. Let's see from the taste test. Nora Queen says
You should just give me some of that Gouda cheese on the low. That's so good.
that Gouda cheese by itself is just good, so no, that's cheat codes.
Okay, this is a mushroom in the pasta.
Yeah. What would you rate it?
I see the vision.
Slay! Another yummy meal from the chef Noor herself. Said I slayed. So imagine if that's a Stanley, bro. Game over. But so the time currently is 10:46. Got done with cooking, cleaned the dishes, everything. I'm gonna call it a night. I have to edit this vlog and like do other things as well too, so I just wanted to get this over with. I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of college with me and my day in my life, basically what I did throughout the day. I feel like I did a pretty good job, was productive, God bless, like alhamdulillah. Ate pretty healthy, felt pretty healthy, everything like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video because I am going to be doing more vlogs soon. So yes, have a good night guys, and bye.